Reasonable question, especially for today when a lot of royal piles of junk around the roads driving around. Are the old Volvos reliable? Patrick's Garage. Grab your snack, welcome back. Yes, probably. But that means. What means old? Old not means old bucket, old rusty bucket. Old in sense that they was produced by genius, by engineers, and they thought about customers, about their clientele. So they don't want to producing these royal piles of junk which can be working in working condition under only under the warranty. And this in the good case will be. I can get you a lot of experiences, a lot of patterns. So these car manufacturers, how they doing, how they producing their cars, so they working under warranty. In this, in good case, they will working under warranty. Probably under warranty, they can falls down, falls apart. A lot of parts can be broken under warranty, and who knows how they going to repair your car under warranty and what mechanics going to do with your car. They want to rush, they want to earn money, and they get not enough money if they repair under warranty your car. So what that means old? Old not means worn. In this case, we're thinking about Volvos, which was produced with high quality control in olden days, and a lot of parts, especially electric parts, was produced in Germany in olden days. I mean, in Western Germany was high quality control. And yes, as an example, you want to see my Volvo 140 series. You know, I bought this. Volvo was disassembled by previous owner, and I found all these parts which was absent. And now I'm driving every day. This is my everyday car. That not means that you buy Volvo and this car will be only for weekend. You can use this car every day. You want to driving around on this car every day. And thing is, they not only reliable old Volvos. You can repair by own hands. You want to save money with old reliable Volvo. I mean, yes, they're not so perfect in gas mileage like modern cars, especially hybrid cars. Yes, 2-liter engine will be enough. In modern days, yes, 90 horsepower, reasonable amount of horsepower for me. I don't want to racing on these old cars. They works perfectly. Two cars, I mean, I have two Volvos, 140 series, one 1969 and one 1972. So, yes, they reliable. Our question, are old Volvo cars reliable? Yes, it's so, but this means how much you want to spend money to this condition so you can driving without any difficulties. You're driving down the road and you're sure that it will not broken in this moment when this unexpected especially. So yes, which models, if we want to say more clear, which models will be good for using for today day? And I think this simple motor, which was installed in my cars, B20, B18, with single carburetor, Zenith Stromberg, made in Britain, British carburetor, constant depression carburetor, simple ignition, contact ignition system, made in Germany in 60s, in Western Germany. Not what I don't want to say and blame anybody, but in olden days, cars was more reliable, and Volvo, including and among of these old cars, Volvo was very reliable cars. Yes, answer in general will be yes, Volvos was very reliable cars. Yes, a lot of guys prefer to buy 240 series, 740 series, 940 series, also reliable cars, but not so reliable like Volvos. In case Volvo, Amazon, a really reliable car. I mean, B20 engine was installed, B18, this doesn't matter. But Volvo Amazon 140 series, also all these Volvos which used inch size thread was very reliable cars. If we want to say more simple, inch size thread reliable car. Yes, later they decided to go to metric size engine and they decided to incorporate metric size crankshaft to inch sized engine. In later B20 engines, what was done with 240 series. Yes, if we want to say something new, I mean 240 series, a lot of them in good condition you can find. Thing is that 140 series Volvo Amazon and another models of their their generation was worn because this was produced these cars 50 years and up. You want to find this age. 50 years old cars. But later you want to find in pristine shape 940 series. I also remember that 140 series was a reliable car with turbo. Yes, even gasoline engine with turbo. This nonsense that gasoline engine reliable with turbo. And nowadays, yes, they burn oil. Oil burner. New car with small liter engine, volume with turbo. Not good. Yes, diesel probably will be better to buy turbo with diesel engine. And this car was very reliable car, and this guy which bought this my 940 series also really satisfied. Yes, was rust a little bit, but this car was in good condition. And thing is that you can find a good condition car more easy to find good condition car, not so old. I mean 940 series, 740 series, and even 240 series you also can find in good condition. But more better if you're able to repair a car by own hands and you want to spend your time for searching parts for repairing process to realize all the problems by our brain. You want to find all these things which was worn and you want to rebuild them. Yes, will be better this best match to find car from 60s, but this not so easy. And you want to spend a lot of time to restoration to get really desirable car condition. More easiest way to buy 940 series, 740 series and 240 series for driving around. If you have old Volvo, especially really old, probably car worn, will be worn this car, you want to buy new original OEM, I mean or EM parts. They not so cheap as you expect. That not means if you buy cheapest car and you can buy spare parts dirt cheap. Oh no, this probably opposite. Original parts often really expensive. So, what we want to say about old Volvos? Yes, old Volvos was very reliable cars, especially rear-wheel drive cars, carburetor cars, contact ignition cars. They really reliable. I don't want to messing with electronics. But yes, you can find car in good condition. More later models will be in good condition because they not too old and not too worn. But if you're lucky enough, you can find car from 60s in good condition. So will be best match. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do. Click the subscribe button and notifications bell so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos about car repairing.